Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download MP3 songs from YouTube. Alright, let's begin. First, open the youtube.com website on your desktop. Once you're on the home page, click on your profile icon and select YouTube Studio. This will take you to your content management dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and select the Audio Library option. This section contains a wide range of royalty-free songs that you can use in your projects. You can browse by genre, mood, or artist to find the song that fits your needs. Once you find a song you like, look to the right side of the track listing. You will see a download button next to each song. Click that, and the song will be saved to your computer in MP3 format. This method works best for free, legal downloads provided by YouTube itself. It's perfect for creators looking for background music or safe-to-use tracks. So that's basically how you can download MP3 songs from YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.